Welcome to Whisky Invest Direct, the smarter way to invest in whisky. Whisky is a unique asset class offering stability, diversification, and long-term value. Unlike traditional whisky investments, Whisky Invest Direct allows you to buy and sell by the litre, rather than full casks, which enables greater portfolio diversity. Getting started is easy. Simply log in to access the trading platform. You can explore how you can sell your whisky investments in two ways, either by the live order board or through bulk trade bids. The live order board is the marketplace where you can buy and sell whisky stocks in real time. You can use filters to find specific distilleries, years, and price trends. The person symbol represents whisky lines you already own. Graphs help track trading price trends, showing whether prices are rising, stable, or declining. The order panel lets you select distilleries, including year and quarter, investment volumes, price and order quantity. Note the Buy-Sell tabs on the order panel. As we're looking to sell whisky, green bricks represent bids by investors looking to purchase whisky stocks. Amber bricks represent sell offers, investors offering their stock for sale. As a seller, clicking a green brick will autofill the Sell tab in the order panel. You confirm the volume you wish to sell and then click the Sell Offer button. The displayed price is the buyer's offer price per litre of pure alcohol. The warning seen here in offer details simply alerts you that your chosen selling price is significantly lower than the whisky's market valuation. It does not prevent you from proceeding, but ensures you are aware in case of a typing error or of an unintended pricing choice. Selling in this way may be faster, but you may not get the best price, as you'll be accepting a price set by the buyer. In some cases, it may be better to wait and list the stock as a buy offer via the amber bricks, rather than selling immediately to a ready buyer. As a seller, to have your stock appear on an amber brick for sale, click the Sell tab of the order panel. Choose the stock under the You Own section of the drop-down, choose the price per litre, volume, and then click Sell Offer. Alternatively, clicking an amber brick will populate both the Buy-Sell tabs for the chosen line you own. To create an amber sell brick, make sure you click across to the Sell tab and update prices and volumes. If you price your whisky too far above the market valuation, sellers will get a warning to reduce their prices. If you find that your sale or buy bid offer does not appear in the amber bricks, this is because only the top 3 bid offers on the platform appear. If an industry buyer places a bid for whisky you own, you will receive an email offering you the opportunity to log into your account and accept this bulk trade bid. Please note, if you have Auto Accept turned on, your stock will automatically be sold to this bulk trade bid. Bulk trade bids are a great way to sell both small and large volumes of stock quickly, but prices and timing are determined by the mid-price value and the industry buyer, so you cannot always rely on these to sell your stock. You can easily monitor your portfolio and track value changes over time. You will find this on your Account Balance page by navigating to Account Balance on the ribbon at the top of the screen. It's also possible to monitor both pending and completed buy-sell orders by navigating to History Orders in the ribbon at the top of the screen. You can review pending orders and make adjustments as needed. To view your accounts and withdraw funds, you can log into the Accounts section to see your balance and manage funds. Whisky Invest Direct offers a smarter, more flexible way to invest in whisky. Sign up today and start building your whisky portfolio.